Memories and kinships, 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 memories and kinships. Past lives and royal bloodlines, passed down divine law, sacred design. Light by the vehicles, we're lighting our molecules that split, cell diving into tiny particles through space-time in an infinity spiral. In my mind, mental prison with no right of parole. On my road to riches, I've taken a life or two. Seen some things I shouldn't have, let me enlighten you. First, take this life lesson I got from the pain. People can't make you happy and drugs don't take away memories and kinships, and death is still existence. When I die, please don't say rest in peace to my spirit, cause I believe in God, my heart is good and I ain't fearful. And you should trust in God, look in your heart and see if He there too. And if He there too, He protect you like an heirloom, give you something you can stare through, a memory and kinship.
Memories and kinships, 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 memories and kinships. Before I left the throne, I told them I'm on my way, and the stars in the sky, they were glad I came. Before I got to earth, the angels cried and sang, all that light turned to rain. Cause in this life, it's just a life test, but it gets harder with assignments. And if you find the answers, keep them private, unless you want that karma as your stipend. When you work with God, it ain't no holiday or hiatus. We just being all like we performing in the anthems. Bigly reach our end, I know that I'ma see them again. Cause we got memories and kinships, 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 memories and kinships.
There was no light at the end of the tunnel, but the gates was there. I had to open it, and when I got in, all my kin was there. They told me it was just a test and that I'm still here. I just started crying, saying that I can't bear the memories and kinships. Memories and kinships,
Memories and kinships,
memories and kinships, memories and kinships,
memories and kinships,
memories and kinships, memories and kinships,
memories and kinships,
memories and kinships, memories and kinships. Revelation. Hey! Things will never be the same, I got it covered. Nah, born from royalty, yeah, I'm a product of it. Before I came to earth, I was a part of something, so I must accomplish every royal duty in the covenant. I came from royal blood, where they honor kings. Every night another premonition in my dreams. I remember who I was, memory coming back. Can't remember where I'm from, so I'm going back. Faded visions coming back, revelations coming fast. It's a heavy weight on my chest when the memories come back. Crash, they crash.
Exodus, it's a new revelation. 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 Exodus.
Memories and kinships. Memories and kinships.
Memories and kinships.
Memories and kinships. Memories and kinships.
Memories and kinships.
Memories and kinships. Memories and kinships.
Memories and kinships.
Memories and kinships. Memories and kinships.